Now the question 6. All the allegations leveled of him were found to be baseless. Leveled of him. These are the words underlined. Now the allegations, the options are leveled against him, leveled on him, leveled for him, leveled with him. Now options C and D are totally irrelevant. The underlined words are grammatically wrong. So you have to choose between leveled against him and leveled on him. Normally, if the word leveled against him, if they are not given, you can settle for leveled on him. But between them, you have to choose the best option. Therefore, is option A. The allegations leveled against him were found to be baseless. All the allegations leveled against him, option A is the correct answer here. In question 7, the greater the demand, higher the price. We have got two comparative degrees used. While learning the rules of using the definite article, there are 3 articles in English, a and an, they are called indefinite articles. The or the is called the definite article. In comparative degrees, when you use the greater, the better, the quicker, then the other part should also have comparative degree using the definite article. Therefore, the greater the demand, the higher the price. You must use the definite article in the second part of the sentence, and therefore the correct option for question 7 is the higher. That is option C. The greater the demand, the higher the price. Now question 8. The politician remained unashamed even after he was convicted by the apex court. Was convicted is the word, is the set of words underlined. Now the subject of this was convicted is politician. Politician is third person singular. Now there is concord or not between the subject politician and was convicted. There is perfect concord. Was convicted. Were convicted has a grammatical mistake because the subject is singular, therefore were cannot come. Second option, are convicted, is also wrong because again the subject is singular. Now the third option is convinced, which is irrelevant in meaning in the given context. The fourth one is was accused. See, convicted is done, conviction is given after the series of trials. Accused is the initial stage. The politician remained unashamed even after. So the word even shows that it has been confirmed, proved, which means option A, B, C, D. All the 4 are wrong and the underlined words have no error as it is. So the correct option in this case is option E, no correction required. Next sentence, number 9. The team leader has instructed all of us to complete the work today. Isn't it? Now, isn't it in India is a universal question tag. Now, a question tag should be used depending upon the verb in the sentence, given sentence. The given sentence is the team leader has instructed. The verb is has instructed. Therefore, question tag is the shortened negative question using a pronoun. The noun here is leader, team leader. Maybe a woman or a man. Here all the options she is considered to be a woman. Therefore she, there is no problem. But has is given in the verb. Therefore it should be hasn't she. Isn't it is wrong. You use isn't it as a question tag only when the verb is present in the sentence. The team leader has instructed, hasn't she. Option D is the correct option for question 9. Now question 10, you have got another sentence where two words are underlined. If the students were knowing about the creatures on the seashore, they would not have decided to picnic there. That means they did picnic there, they were troubled by these creatures. So this says, if the students were knowing, would not have, because it is given would not have, here you should use a past tense. If the students were knowing is wrong, therefore last option is immaterial here. If the students had known, if the students have known is present perfect, is not possible because would not is given there. Has known again is present perfect, students is plural, therefore has known is wrong. Are knowing is wrong usage. Therefore, the correct answer, the correct option to this question, if the students had known about the creatures on the seashore, they would not have decided to picnic there.